This excellent induction hob from Indesit is ideal if you're looking for a reliable model with great technology to make cooking easier. There are 4 cooking zones to choose from in 2 different sizes, perfect for cooking with both large and small pans. Induction hobs use electromagnetic technology to heat the contents of your pan instead of the hob's surface. This makes them super energy efficient, and because of their smooth, flat design, they're really easy to clean too. Indesit's fantastic Maxi Cook technology is specially designed to accommodate larger cookware. With a simple touch of the controls, you can easily expand the zone to suit the size of your pans. So, whether you're cooking a big pot of chili or lots of smaller dishes simultaneously, you'll always have the option to create large batches of food to make mealtimes easier. This model features a control panel lock, which is a great safety feature. It prevents the hob from being accidentally switched on, or your little ones adjusting the temperature while you're cooking, meaning you'll have peace of mind that you and your family will be safe in the kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable induction hob with great technology to make cooking easier, this excellent model from Indesit is an ideal choice.